So she goes back to her phone book and she's like, do I still have Jolene's number? Because I'd sure like for her to take this man off my hands now. I changed my mind. So this is Jolene part 2. He's sandy blonde with steely blue eyes. He can charm a snake with his southern smile. He's a weekend all night from Rose Sunday, jack of all trades, a whole new meaning to drive you wild. But Jolene, there are some things you don't see. That dog of a man will catch him if you can, 'cause he's good at digging holes and running away from home. Jolene, 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 please take my man from me. If loyalty just ain't your thing, if after 7 years you don't need no ring, if you love doing dishes, cooking in the kitchen, and always folding clothes, if one more full-time job is what you need back at home, then that dog of a man will catch him if you care, 'cause he's good at digging holes and running away from home. Jolene, 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 please take my man from me. Yeah. Jolene, I tried to teach him, but old dogs don't learn new tricks. And now that I'm leaving, he can be your problem to fix. That dog of a man will get him if you can, 'cause he's good at digging holes and running away from home.